Hey guys, as I said, today we're gonna build our watch list together, so you know what I'm doing, all my pre-market routine. First thing I do is I open my Colmex platform, it's the same as TEFs, and I watch the top 20 movers, pre-market movers. It's NICE gainers and losers and Nasdaq gainers and losers. I look into each one of them, if they are not ETFs, and I start building my watch list. I identify the support and resistance levels. So first stock I saw gapping down today is in NEWR. You can see here, this is the pre-market trading 1 hour chart. The low is at 49.10. So I draw my line there, and we have a resistance at 55.27. So I'm gonna keep searching. DAL airlines, because oil is going up today, airlines will go down because oil is getting expensive. So here we have the pre-market low. I already have some lines drawn. I will erase those so I have a clean chart. All right, and this is the pre-market high. These levels will act as support and resistance after the market opens. DAL added to my watch list. 2 stocks until now. TMV is not a big gap. PUK, FRAN is opening with a gap down, but is not tradable for me. OSTK, here is the daily. As you can see here, we had 7 days up, red day on Friday. Today is gapping down. It looks like it's gonna be a red day. Right here is the pre-market low, 43.49. The swing high is at 29.86. I also see a level right here. This is on 1 hour chart. It's the time frame I use to identify my support and resistance levels. All right, that's about it. What I want to see, it's a run up after the open at this area, lower highs or an SL15 setup, and short. So I'm going to add it to my watch list. OSTK, overstock. Another airline, AAL, is gapping down. Here it is. Pre-market low 28.32, pre-market high 29.24. Another swing low here at 27.71. The gap is filling at 29.95, and another gap fill on the downside at 27. These are my support and resistance lines for AAL. I remind you, airlines are going down today because oil is gapping up. CRWD is not a big gap. It's already on a downtrend. I'm not interested. MU, NVDA. All right, nothing interesting on the losers. Let's go to gainers. SEMG. It's tradable. SEMG. It's a gap up, pre-market high 1750, pre-market low 1174. You can see here at 1750 is a swing high from February, from last January. I'm going to look at the daily. It's on my left. Right here we can see it clear. I will draw another line. It's close to that. No, it's too close. 1771, let me see, 1773. No, actually, I want to use that line. 1773. Right. And next resistance is up here at 2189. Here is the 200 moving average, 1361. It's another level you want to watch. And we have a support on this peak right here and on this one. So these are my levels for SEMG. Another gap up, CRC. Pre-market high 1546, pre-market low 1341, 200 moving average 1915, swing high on the daily 2131. These are the levels for CRC. Sorry if I'm going too fast, but I don't have much time. I need to complete my watch list before the market opens. I will be doing this for the rest of the week, every day. So don't worry if you don't get everything I do from day one. I will be able to explain more tomorrow. SM is gapping up 20%, but there is no range, just 70 cents. And one thing very important is that you must have coffee with you while you build your watch list. You need to be ready when the market opens. This is the best coffee ever. It's called Frappe. It's iced coffee. It's amazing. Try it. You won't regret it. So CLR, I like the gap. Another oil stock like CRC earlier. Oil stocks are very tricky to trade, so I will be extra careful with them. We have a pre-market high at 37.10. We have the 200 moving average at 41.40. We have the pre-market low at 35.05. CLR added. MRO, another oil stock. Pre-market high 1490, 1447. Pre-market low 1374. 200 moving average 1514. We have a peak here at 1604. These are my levels for MRO. All right. Let's move to Nasdaq gainers. ALDR, it's a pharmaceutical. It has news. Pre-market high 1853, pre-market low 1723. Swing high on the daily 2081. I'm adding ALDR. Another energy stock, FANG. This is actually a bit spready. Another stock that is moving on oil news. I believe all these oil stocks today, they will sell off at the open, and who knows later, maybe they start rising up again, but I predict that they will sell off at the open. I'm not planning to start shorting every stock I see. I will wait for a setup before I start shorting, but I will be extra careful with them. FANG added. Alright, another stock that is gapping up on news is AIMT, another pharmaceutical. Pre-market high, pre-market low. It actually looks weak because you can see here it gapped over yesterday's high, but now it's trading under yesterday's high. This is a sign of weakness. Yesterday's high was at 26.09. So if it stays below this level, it will be a good short. We can see a support here at 23.64. This could be our target. If we break that, we can hit 22.88. AIMT added. Alright, that's about it. I want to show you something else. If you come here to the top 20, config 1 to 10, we will see all the stocks that are trading between $1 and $10, all the gainers and losers. So I will go over them very fast. Actually, I'm gonna do it right here so you can see what I'm doing. ACB is gapping down, not a good gap, is not clear. Alright, YUMA, I love it. Let's see if it's tradable. It's not tradable, I don't see anything, but I will add it on my watch list because if it opens for trade later, I'm interested. GBR, it's a nice gap up, not tradable either. That's the problem with low price stocks. GUSH is an ETF, I don't trade ETFs. WLL, another oil stock. Actually, I'm interested in that. WLL, pre-market high 959, pre-market low 835, 50 moving average 1140, gap resistance 1342, and gap fill 1707. WLL, Nothing interesting. Only oil is moving today. Nothing interesting yet. Alright, that's it. That's my watch list for today. I will also upload the watch list on Twitter and on the free Discord chat room. So I will see you when the market opens. Let's have a green day. I will see you in 15 minutes.